We are impacting lives through giving, advocating, volunteerism, and it could be at any level. I think the more you know about the United Way and learn how it operates so smoothly, the more it makes sense to everyone.
When you seek to help a community or make a difference such as we do, it's important to know that the group in which you're dealing with are really at the pulse of the needs of the community you're trying to serve.
The United Way has made tremendous strides in improving the lives of people in Monmouth County. We focus on 3 areas: education, income, and health. Things that everybody wants for their families. A quality education that leads to stable employment. Enough income to provide for a family through retirement, and good health.
The research shows that if a child is not reading on grade level by 3rd grade, there's a good chance that they'll be delayed in their graduation if they graduate at all. Early literacy is really the key indicator to future academic success.
It's not just about learning here at the Y or reading here at the YMCA. It's about reading at home. It's about getting back to school and being inspired to be the very best person that they can be.
It's fun when you learn about reading books. And reading is my favorite thing to do in my free time.
I run a program. It's working with the high school students at Asbury Park. And they come to me. We help them with resume writing, with how to find jobs, how to apply to jobs. I was determined to get me a job, and she was determined to find me a job. And she got me a job. She got me 2. What amazes me is they come back to me and tell me how they're doing. And they're smiling and they're successful and they're so happy that they found work.
In income, what we're doing there is focusing on the economic security gap. And what that means is when we look at what it costs to actually live in Monmouth County and what people actually make in Monmouth County, there's a huge gap. And what we're looking to do is how we can focus resources to be accessible, seamless, so that people can really begin to become financially stable.
If we don't have organizations like the United Way who are saying, wait, we need to talk about economic security for Monmouth County residents, so many residents will just get lost. They won't have access to programs, they won't have access to supports, because often we're using some measure that just isn't realistic of what it really means to have to live and raise your family here.
In order to get that particular special employer out there in the community to understand the benefits of working with someone that we serve, it takes creating the connection, the relationship, having them understand the benefits, again, of hiring someone with a disability.
The United Way provided us with an opportunity to spend more time with individuals who needed that time to secure a job, to secure opportunities for volunteering, and to gain the confidence, self-esteem, to really become ready to gain employment. In these last 3 years that we've worked with the United Way, I can truly say from the bottom of my heart, these individuals would not have been where they are today if it had not been for this grant that we have received.
Monmouth County has some of the highest incidents of adolescent drinking and drug use in the entire state of New Jersey. We focus on prevention, treatment, but we also work to make sure that children are safe and healthy and happy. We know that things such as abuse and neglect can lead to high-risk behaviors.
Kids have some really hard things that are happening in their life and they want some direction. So that's where we come into play. We connect them with the appropriate agencies and people in schools who can really get them the help that they need.
Volunteering in the community is extremely important. We all win when those who have the time and talent to donate can help those in need. Organizations like United Way of Monmouth County would not be able to do the work that we do without the help of volunteers. Volunteering is also extremely important for companies and their employees to get involved, boost morale, and bring people together. No matter what your interests, we can find a volunteer opportunity that will suit your needs, So please volunteer your time and help us make a difference here in Monmouth County.
Without the funding that we're getting from places like the United Way, none of this would be possible.
You give in return and you get in return.
It energizes our people to know that they have that affiliation with another group that is so influential in the community.
United Way and its partners are changing people's lives every day. It is thanks to generous people like you that we're able to improve the lives of others. But our work's not done, and we need your help. If you've not already done so, won't you please consider making a gift to United Way? It doesn't matter how big or how small, every gift matters when it comes to impacting communities. Whether you're giving $1 a week, are one of our leadership givers, or a member of the Alexis de Tocqueville Society, your gift will go a long way into making Monmouth County a better place for all, one child, one family, one community at a time. Thank you for your support, and thank you for choosing to live united.